What's up guys, it's Emiliana and welcome back to my channel. So by the title you already know that I'm going to like a flower place montage thing. Well, this is probably gonna be mainly a montage. So yeah, I tried filming the intro earlier today, but that did not work out. So right now, I think I'm going on TikTok and asking people what I should wear or if they have any ideas. And I'm definitely gonna match my phone case to my outfit because I have I've said this before, but I have so many phone cases, and why not just match? Right now I have Anna CV's case on that I have. It's really cute because it's black and white and I love it. So yeah, I really don't know what to wear, so I'm gonna see if anyone can help me and figure it out. I want to be cute but also semi-comfy because it's gonna be chill. But so we'll see if TikTok knows anyone who can help me.
Choose your fighter. Lightning inspired. Fight. You win!
Hey guys, it's been a minute from the first video till now. It's very different timing. That was filmed a month ago from next week. So yeah, I just wasn't editing, I'm sorry. But as you saw in my video, we got like 8 bouquets of flowers, which was like amazing. We had like bouquets around our house for like weeks and it was really fun. I'll link the place down below. They're probably booked up and getting ready to close soon, but either next summer or I like really recommend going there, or like a place like that, because it was so much fun. Okay, so many photo opportunities, things like that, but I promise more videos are coming. I have so many filmed, just not edited, so you may even get more this week because my phone storage is I need storage. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment if you can. I'm having issues with that. I'm gonna try to fix it, who knows when. But like after 30 days you're able to comment. I don't have like friends who are YouTubers, so I don't know how to fix that. But hope you enjoyed it, like it, follow me on my other social medias, and peace. Night. Or good morning, day, night, peace.